walk in the shadow of the valley low. Tears on the path where the cold winds blow. Heart so broken, scattered on the ground. Silence all around, not a soul or sound.
The world left me wounded, torn apart, carrying the weight of a shattered heart. But in the silence, I heard his name, a whisper of hope through the deepest pain. I found my Savior near. He took my hand and calmed my fear. I fall, but now I rise to fight. In the dark, the Lord is my light. Yes, in the dark, the Lord is my light.
Chains that held me now fall away. Grace like a river floods my day. Even in storms I walk unshaken. For He is near, I'm not forsaken. Though I walk through shadows deep, He guards my soul, He gives me peace. No fear can steal what He has won. My battle's over, the victory's done. I found my Savior near. He took my hand and dried each tear. I stand redeemed by holy night. In the dark, the Lord is my light. Forevermore, forevermore, the Lord is my light. From the